Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Fatur Rahma. I'm from English Education Department. Okay, I will explain a little about discourse analysis and English language teaching. Okay, there is very important to understand this topic. We need to learn from the first the concept of English language teaching, and the second, the relationship between discourse analysis and English language teaching. First, concept of English language teaching. To understand the definition of teaching, Paul here say being clear about what teaching is material vital because how teachers understand teaching very much affect what they actually do in the classroom. So what is teaching? Two ways can be used to know the definition of teaching. From the first, virtual way, and the second, ritual way. Virtual way, which is this method relates to retrieving definition from a computer's stored definition, particularly through a network. This method entails using definition from internet dictionary. The second, ritual way, which is this method of learning definition by seeing a teaching as the consists of a set of action that are routinely in classroom. Using this method entail first observing what teachers do in the classroom, then identifying the task and activity performed, and then creating an interpretation of the data and activity to express the meaning of teaching. Next, the things we can learn from the definition. There are at least two things. Second, from the first, teaching is imparting knowledge or skill. Okay, next, what is post-teaching? Post-teaching refers to things that teachers do after doing the process of imparting knowledge to a group of students or evaluation teaching. Knowing the fact, what is teaching then? Teaching is then defined as the process of imparting knowledge or skill to a group of students by applying three main stages: applying the teaching, giving instruction in teaching, and evaluating the teaching outcomes. Finally, what is English language teaching? English language teaching can be interpreted as the process of imparting skill and knowledge of English group of students whose first language is not English through the implementation of three main stages. Sample: pre-teaching or planning, while teaching, giving instruction, as well as post-teaching or measuring learning outcomes. The last, the relationship between discourse analysis and English language teaching. To understand this subtopic, we need to learn these two things. And the first, the term in ELT or theoretical perspective. And the second, the term of ELT in initial or factual perspective. For most English teachers, according to 2010 teach their student English in isolation with, with its use. As a result, students lack context knowledge, and when it comes to time to put what they have learned in class into practice in real life situation, they struggle to use language in a socially appropriate manner, and they struggle to recognize the function of utterance addressed by a native English speaker. And second, the trend of VLT in Indonesian or factual perspective. Many English students in Indonesian face the same issues as the theories suggest. This occurs because pupils are exposed to a large number of English from input, but a smaller number of English function inputs. Many English teachers in Indonesia prefer to teach English by drilling grammar principles and memorizing vocabulary. Okay, thank you. Maybe enough from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.